Hello everyone. Today I will explain you the Askeytech products RightHMS software. It is a complete restaurant management software. Let's have a look into the features. These are the features of our software. Like multiple KOT generation for single or multiple outlets can be done. Whether if you are having a multiple outlet means you can able to generate the KOTs. Non-chargeable KOT management system is also available. Then the mobile app for the KOT generation is also available, or else if you are having a separate system for the KOT generation means it can be able to integrate it. Then the sending KOT details to kitchen automatically. Once the KOT order have taken, the orders will send into the kitchen automatically. Then the order booking system is also available for the home delivery options. Then the bill split option is also available. You can able to split the bills, and the settlement options like cash card or UPI have been differentiated. Then the cashier wise collection and settlement report you can be able to view. Then the complete log analysis of KOTs or bill generated can be able to view in a report format. Then the table or steward item wise sales and discount can also be able to view. While clicking on the table, it displays the covers, time and bill amount. Next, if you're having a hotel along with the restaurant bin can be able to integrate with the front office or else the room service option. Then the SMS and email option is also available. Whether if you want to check the sales or a profit or the stock reports, you can be able to view. Then the 100% data accuracy will be available. You will get a instant support like 24/7. Okay, now let's get into the software. So this is our software's user interface. This one is the admin model. Here you can see the subscreens like masters, operations and reports. Generally the admin is in supervisor model. Okay, the admin model link is available in description. You can check with that. Okay, like here you can see the model like restaurant, food costing and the inventory. Okay, next we will see about the restaurant model. While clicking the restaurant model, you can able to see the details like fast moving items, cashier wise report for the day and order odd ones report for the day. All will be displayed here. First let's start with the outlet master. Outlet master is nothing but the informations regarding our outlets like outlet code, then outlet name, then the outlet type, whether it is a fine dine or takeaway or others, you can able to modify it here. Then the KOT prefix, like your wish, what type of prefix do you need to add in your KOT bills and in also the bills also. Here you can able to see the bill format. Various type of bill format is available. You can choose what type of you need. You can able to modify. Then the KOT screens. What type of KOT screen do you like to require? Here you can able to view. Then those here you can able to see the all options like the alerts, then the bill print. Whether if you want the kitchen print, you can able to enable it here. Then you can able to see the options like the restart for touch. It is mainly for the stewards. Let me explain you in the KOT screen. Here you can able to see the outlet open days. Then the payment options that we are allowing here, you can able to modify it here. Then if you want to add any tables means here you can able to add. Then if you are having the logo means here you can upload it. Next we will have a look into the session master. Whether if you want to modify your timings for the session means here you can able to modify it. Then next one is the steward. Here you can able to create the steward code and their names. For example, I am showing you. This is the steward code and this is the steward name. Whether if he is applicable for all the outlets, here you can select the all. So next one is the menu type. Here you can able to add the menus like beverage, whether it is a food or it is a liquor or like any other menus. Here you can able to create. Next one is the menu category. Menu category is nothing but whether if you want to add some in food category you need to add some burgers, pizzas or anything. Here you can able to create it here. Next one is the kitchen. Whether if you are having multiple kitchens means here you can able to create. Here you can able to select the bill format ID for the KOT print. Taxes, here you can able to add your taxes. Whether if you are having any taxes means here you can able to add like you have to give the percentage and you have to give a code for the tax and the description. Just you submit means the tax will be created. Next one is the item master. This screen is used to create an item. For example, I am showing an item like the Arabian grill kebab. Like this only we have to create an item, like the item code, the item name, and the menu type, whether it is a food or beverage. Like that we have to create the menus and the menu category and the sub menu category. The cost percentage for the item will be created here and the rate of an item will be entered here. Then the kitchen, which kitchen does it belongs to, here you can able to add it here. And the tax, if you have any taxes also you can add here. And the sessions, whether it is a lunch or it is a breakfast or it's a dinner, like that we have to enable it here. Whether if you want to add any combo items means you can add it by here by enabling the combo and you can add the items here. Next let me see the add-on items. Add-on items will be charged separately. For example, I am showing the add cheese. The add cheese comes under the food category and the menu category is add-on. The sub menu category is also add-on. The cheese add-on charges is like the rate will be entered here. Same as per the item creation. Okay, now I will show you a new item creation. For example, I am choosing the VGS. I'm giving the item name as vegetable salad. It is a food and the menu category is a salad. If I want to fix the price for this item is I will enter by here. It is an main kitchen, and if you want to add any tax means just press the F1. The selected tax will be shown here. I'm just giving the 5%. Okay, whether if it is applicable for all the session means just select the all, or else if it is applicable only for the particular session means just select the lunch or dinner, like that. I'm just choosing the lunch. I'm just submitting. So now let's check with the vegetable salad. So here you can see the item that we created will be displayed like this only. So next one is the ledgers. Here you can create the n number of ledgers like the transportation charges, the electricity bills, the rental amount, the internet bills, all like that you can able to create the ledgers. It will reflect you in the expenses screen to maintain your expenses. Okay. So next one is the company master. It is used to create a company for which we are providing food for a particular company means here you can able to create the company, the company's code, the company name and the addresses, contact persons, like that. The star indicates the mandatory field, the others are optional parameters. Okay. So next one is the item preference and add-ons. Here you can able to create the add-on items and the food preference for the particular items. I'm just selecting the item which we have created, vegetable salad. The add-on item is I'm just selecting the rice, and for the food preference I'm just selecting the cheese. and the quantity is 1. I'm just submitting. The item was successfully saved by the add-on item and the food preference item. Okay, so next we will move into the operations. Our day-to-day operations are done by here only. Before seeing the operations, I am just logging out and logging through the steward's user ID. Here you can see the fingerprint option. Whether if you are having the fingerprint enabled system means you can log in through the fingerprint also. I am logging in through the ID. See, while logging in, the default screen for the stewards will be like this only. Whether if you want to modify any other screen means you can enable it in the master screen. I will show you that. For example, for this RT user ID, I have selected the open outlet screen as the default screen for them. Whether if you want to change any other screen means here you can able to select. Okay. So once the open outlet option is enabled, the order will be taken by here only. I am just selecting the table and I am selecting the menus like food. In the food I am selecting the salad. Here you can see our created item, the vegetable salad will be listed out here. I am just selecting the vegetable salad and you can see the add-on items on the preference which we have created have been shown here. I am just selecting the add-on rice and increasing the quantity to 1 to, whether if you want to add +5 means +5 option is also there. So like that you can be able to add, and I'm just giving the add and close. Here you can see the vegetable salad and the add-on rice have been listed out here. I'm just sending the KOT to the kitchen. The KOT have been successfully generated. Once the KOT generated, the page will be gone into the login page, because the next steward will come and they give their user ID, their password, and the orders have been taken continuously. Okay. Here if you want to see the KOTs means just click and it show the table number and the ID. All details will be shown here. Whether if you want to build to this table means just click the table, the billing screen will be opened, and just select the payment mode like cash, card or any others. I'm just selecting the card. The bill was successfully generated and settled by card. The alert will become. If you want to see the last bill means just select the last bill. Here you can see the bill which you have generated, the vegetable salad and the rice. The bill will be like this only. Then if you want to check any other bills means just give this button and the bill will be move on to the previous bills. Okay. Well, if you want to generate a non-chargeable KOT means the non-chargeable KOT option is also available. For example, if you want to take the table bill means the table bill option is also there. Okay. So next one is the settlement. The unsettled bills can be settled by here. Just select the bill number and select the payment mode and just give the submit. The bill will be settled. Next, if you want to cancel bill means just select the bill number and we have to give the reasons for why we are cancelling the bill, because it will shows you in the reports. Okay. Next one is the table booking. Whether if you want to book any tables for a particular person means here you can able to book the tables. So next one is the kitchen item display. Here you can see that the number of KOTs which you have generated will be shown here. Like the kitchens, number of kitchens that we have created will be shown here. For example, I am generating a KOT. I'm just selecting the table here, and I'm choosing the menus like burgers. I'm just generating the KOT now. Yes, the KOT have been generated. I'm closing the screen. I'm coming to the kitchen item display. Here you can see the kitchens like bar kitchen. So I'm choosing the main kitchen. See, our generated KOT will be shown in the green color. Once the time reaches the maximum means it will turns on into red like this. Like this, the color will be turned into red. If you having the separate displays for the KOT generation means here you can able to integrate with that. Okay. Like this, we are having another options like kitchen controller screen. In this screen, once the KOT closed by the kitchen staff in kitchen, the KOT details will be sent to the kitchen controller, where same process will be followed. Once KOT items received, steward will close the KOT in kitchen controller screen. Okay. So next one is adjustments. Here you can able to adjust the stocks like water bottles or any other soft drinks which have been expired or any physically damaged means here you can able to adjust the stocks. Okay. So next one is the daily expenses. Here you can register your daily expenses which will reflect you in the reports regarding your outlets. Okay. So let's move on to the reports. Here you can see the n number of reports available here, or 60 plus reports have been available like general reports, sales reports, and the bar stock reports and the account reports. First, let's start with the sales invoice report. The sales invoice reports indicates you the number of sales have been done by today. Here you can see the number of sales have been done, like the quantity, the rate. If you have any discount amounts, it will also reflect you here, and the tax amount, and all those things will be shown by here. So next one is the FSN analysis report. FSN is nothing but the fast moving, slow moving, and the non-moving items. For example, if I am choosing the fast moving items which are done by today, these are the items which are moving fastly today. If I want to know the slow moving items means I am just selecting the slow moving and I am giving view. These are all the slow moving items. You can check with the quantity itself. For the fast moving, you can able to see the quantities. For the slow moving, you can able to check the quantities. And if I want to know the non-moving items also means I'm just selecting the non-moving and giving the view. Here you can see the non-moving items. Okay. Here you can able to save it, or else if you want to take the printout means here you can able to take the printout. For the save option, there are many types like PDF documents, or else if you want to take an Excel sheet means here you can able to create. Okay. So next one is the cashier overall sales report. It will shows you the report which have been generated by different payment modes like cash, card, UPI, or if you have any done for company means here it will shows you. Okay. So next one is the sales tax report. The sales tax will be shown by here, which have the number of sales which you have done. Okay. So next one is the steward wise sales report. Here you can able to see the number of sales done by the stewards. Okay. So next one is the daily expense report. I'm viewing for today. Here you can see the created expense have been generated here. So Thanks for watching.